Class is now open. Let's do it. All right, I got you situated here. Let's see if I can't get in here and get this done for you and show you. I wasn't even going to bring my video camera with me, but I never know what Mother's got for me to do. Okay. Yeah, a little pair of pliers too. Let's see how well this shows up right there. Oh yeah, you can see everything from there. Let's just get rid of that. Okay. I got lucky because the pipe's just right here. I thought, why not? Right? Why not? Okay. And I've got the pipe right here. Now I could make a hole in the top of it, but I don't generally like to do the top. I like to do kind of the side in case somebody steps over here or walks over here and they could step down and snap it off or break it or whatever. Okay. And I also found some zip ties, some little white ones. Okay. All right. That's pretty much all I got to do. Here's the one that goes up that way. There's also one here that goes, I don't know where that one goes. I should probably find out. It probably goes this way. There might be a cap on it or something. And it looks like it's really moist in here. And I'll bet you that might be an old drip. That's not part of this video. Oh, it wasn't supposed to be. What's going on with that? Okay, that's the one that zips over there. This other one goes to the other plants. Okay, that's what's happening with that. Okay, all right. So now I just give it a good push, and I know this is not under pressure with water because we've got the system off right now. I'm just going to push on here until it clicks. Okay, and get my little coupling here. And this tubing, I haven't used it for quite some time, but it should be fine. And then the old days, I'm gonna just cut off the tip, make it a little bit straighter. This is 1/4 inch tubing. That's what they normally use nowadays, but years ago when they first did the sprinklers over here, about 20 years ago, they used it's like 3/16 or 1/8, an eighth of an inch pipe, and it's really super small. I don't like that. Okay, so now this just gets pushed on here like that, and I simply push it in here. And if I can't, actually, I'm just going to take my pliers and hang on to it. You could probably get it without this, but hold it up there kind of close, like that, and then I can just push it in. It's snapped in. You hear it snap? Okay, that's it. Now I can kind of swivel that. I can swivel that around that location, and I can cover this up. How hard was that? Okay, actually, I can redirect this down in the ground from here if I want. Okay. Either way, it's going to come up out of here, and I could have it come out closer here, but I'm just gonna go to there. Okay, I'll just go to there. step. There. That's all I got to do for that. I'm halfway home already. See? Here's a piece of dirt. Let's just shove that back in right on top of there, like Play-Doh. Okay, there. Now, I can get ready for the next step. What is the next step? Yeah, I'm just gonna bring that. I'm gonna bring this back over here. I'll have to kind of figure out. See it. It's got. Oh, that I can turn. I get something nice up there, and I can leave it. I can leave it like that. Okay. I can leave it like that, and then come in off of this back leg and wrap it, zip tie it up there. I just happen to have two little white zip ties. Look at that. Whenever you find these, get these, don't throw them away. You know, sometimes you'll get one, like if you get a new TV or something, and sometimes if I just get a little wrap cord, you know, yay long or something from a TV or something, I save those, because I could use something like that on there too if I found that. Okay, so I'm gonna just reach in there, wrap that up around there, and I'll show you what that looks like next. Hey, it's starting to look like something. See, I haven't attached this yet. I just ran it. I ran it through here, and then I ran it up the back side of that leg with the zip ties, right there and up there. Okay, there's the other zip tie right there. Okay. Now I can just lift that up, kind of position it where I want. I'm going to give it a little bit of slack in case we ever want to move this out a little bit further, but I don't think we will. Okay, and that's where it's going to live. Here's my little bubblers right there. Just use one of those, ½ gallon per hour. That's all I need. I don't think they have anything less than a ½ gallon. And now this will get plenty of water. Yes, there's a little bit of sun. It's in the morning. It's about 9:30. We get just a little bit coming over the house, but then this will shade it in the afternoon hot sun. I think it'll get a little bit of variegated sun, but with the water on there and being in the shade, I think this is going to last for quite some time right there. And our little shepherd's hook that we have out there, I'll have to find some other type of plant that can take full sun and maybe prop it up there so Mother can see that when she eats breakfast. Okay, I'll getting ready to put this bubbler on now. Okay, let's get it on. I'll just get this up here, and I can make this long. I don't need to make it so short that it fits perfect, because if we ever want to put something else here, I'll have enough, because I can make it long and then let it pooch out this way and redirect it and all that. Okay, I'm going to cut this off with my cutters, my electrical cutters. And after I cut it off, I always like to kind of straighten that out a little bit. Now I can put this on. That's it. Okay, and I can redirect this however I want, so that I know it's not gonna come out of there. And this thing here, I can take that off. That's the thing that you get from the garden store. Okay, let's see how I'm going to do that. I'm just going to hook it in there like that. All right. Now there you go. How long did that take me? Do something nice for mother. See, I got it zipped up like that, and I've got it just right there. And I got it wedged in between some branches so that that's not gonna come out. Okay, I can leave it right like that. Now, if I wanted to, I could turn the bubblers on and see if it worked. Hey, I know it's gonna work. All right, but for the sake of argument, I'm gonna turn the bubblers on, and you can see.